Here's your food.
Can I sit with the woman?
Vegetables. We're having.
Where can I sit with the woman?
We don't need this for this rest.
I want to sit with the woman. I want to sit with the woman.
Here's your drink.
I love drinks.
Well, let's make the cookies. Let's make cookies. First, we have to get the ingredients. Come on.
I'll make them.
We'll make the cookie. Wait.
I'll make it. I'll make
Here's
it.
the food. Pick a food like. Wait on. Maybe we should take chocolates. Check. Flour. Okay, back. Here's your food. Pick up the bread you want.
That one. I like that.
Cook it.
I like this food. I'm very
Put eggs and the green vegetables.
We have vegetables and
Let's make cookies. Let's make cookies.
I am not.
Tyler, are you still being the dad?
A ball.
I'm going to sleep with the girl.
Okay, here's your ball. Here's your ball. No, this one. Now, let's make cookies. Eggs. I need 4 eggs. 3 eggs, okay. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the chocolate.
Tyler, what?
And flour. And now the ingredients.
Tyler, what is the daddy doing?
I like broccoli and mashed potato and the fishes. Okay, stir it up. Stir. Where's the bowl? Where's the spoon? The spoon. This mixer spoon. Spoon mixer. Here. Stir. Okay, timer. 2 keep it. Okay, now look at the time. We have 40 minutes. Wait.
Tyler, what's the daddy doing?
I finally we gotta put in the oven. Then.
Is the daddy making food for his family?
Yeah, we're making cookies. Put it in the oven. Here. No. I forgot the corner.
What are you making? What are you making, Daddy? What are you making, guys?
There. That should do it.
What are you making, guys?
Now
Tyler.
let's put the oven.
I love the cookies with
Tyler, you gotta be the daddy. Emily's pretending to be the granny and she's asking.
I forgot that.
Can you eat with me? I love to
I
eat.
forgot the eggs.
I love to eat. Guys, can I eat, guys? I love to eat.
I love it. Put it in the oven.
Hey, let's go eat, woman. Let's go eat in the other side. We're going to eat in the other side, Dad.
Okay, now, let's go pick. Now, set the timer.
We're going to the woman.